So, Anand, I'm talking about TCS. Okay. So, uh, let's say they are conducting any exam. Uh, uh, let's suppose they are conducting any exam.
Hello?
Like yes,
Yeah, you can hear me.
yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, they are conducting a CPA exam.
That's what I'm saying.
So,
They will conduct that exam in order to uh, in order to take you to some other roles. Let's say, uh,
no, like they are saying they are going to provide us incentive.
that's what
If we score
they'll give you
55 above
bonus.
or 80
Yeah,
above,
they'll give you bonus. They'll give you bonus of 60,000, 50 to 60,000. So
yeah, 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 yeah.
it is not important, but the thing is, if you clear this exam, there are more chances to explore. Okay, there are more chances to get into some developer roles wherein you can increase your band within 1 year.
Okay, for example, if we don't pass the exam,
So they won't consider if you're fail or if you're not fail. It's just because you have to improve your skills, and as a token of appreciation, they are giving some amount, whatever it is, they are giving some bonus.
so means we will get the joining date, right?
You will be getting joining date. They won't say anything even if you pass, even if you don't appear for the exams also, they'll still give you an offer letter. But but the thing is, once you get into this role, let's say you are going normally, then you have to face many allegations. Let's say they'll be asking questions. Let's say I know one of my friend didn't appear exam just because this corona.
Mm,
Okay,
okay.
so he gave proper explanation. Let's say he got interviewed by manager. He gave proper explanation on that why you didn't give, and that thing and this thing. And this CPA exam will not happen online. So it will be in your nearest cities. Let's say you are in Hyderabad.
No,
You'll
no, actually, we are giving the CPA exam online in a month twice.
Okay. This time, last time it
Yeah,
was
yeah.
like last time it was like they asked students to go to some other place. Let's say they are in some nearby cities, some good cities wherein they have TCS campus. They can go there and they
Mm.
can give the exam.
Yeah,
Uh,
because of Corona, they have done like
yes,
that.
yes. So it doesn't matter, but I suggest you to appear because you have other roles to explore as well once you go into that.
Yeah, and when can we expect the joining month?
Yeah, see, that's what I told you. Every joining letter will be out after you complete your final semester. So you'll be doing your 4-2 now, right? If I'm
Yeah,
not
yeah,
wrong. Yeah. So
yeah,
every
yeah.
offer letter will be sent out once you are done with your 4-1. Sorry, 4-2. That is in the month
Okay.
of May, I guess. May ending, you'll be getting LOI. May starting,
Yeah,
you'll be
yeah.
getting LOI, and May ending or June starting week, you'll be getting LOJ, which is letter
Hmm.
of joining. And for TCS also, this time, most probably they'll do work from home and they'll be sending out all the required materials to your home itself.
Okay, so can you say that which location they may provide us?
So that's what location. Let's say you are let's say you are from South India. Definitely they'll be giving somewhere in Chennai or Bangalore or Hyderabad. There are three major cities.
Yeah, they asked us, so I have kept first Hyderabad, then
Yeah.
Bangalore, then Chennai.
Yeah, so even if you chose different options, they'll be finalizing with one location for all the students. I mean, for most of the students. And it also depends on your project. Once you complete your project, they might change your location as well. So until unless they call you for physical joining, they'll be giving some particular location.
So till there is Corona, so we cannot expect any physical joining, right?
No,
Yeah.
i i
So
I'm sure that you will be completing your
training.
trainings
Uh,
through online. Once you're done with the trainings, they'll call once they allocate any projects, they'll say, they'll
hmm.
ask you to come for physical joining. Most probably you can expect Chennai or Hyderabad, because this is what many students told me.
So is it better to do training online or offline?
See, you don't have any
Um,
options to choose, Anand. They will decide.
yeah. I don't have, but
So, see, I'll tell you.
this.
What happens is,
Mm,
uh, whatever the training you do,
mm,
whether it may be in online or offline, uh,
mm.
uh, the thing is we have to concentrate. Okay, so
Yeah.
training will not be a problem. Once you get into any project or any other thing, you can face problems with your project. Let's say you are getting into some project, and there will be 1 month or 15 days training. Sorry, KT.
Okay.
They call it as knowledge transfer. Then you may
Mm,
face some issues, but training, you can complete it easily.
okay.
But make sure, whatever the training they give, make sure you attend it
Mm,
very sincerely, because your other roles will depend on your training, will depend on your training marks. They'll be giving some marks, some credits for your training, and they'll assign your projects uh, according to that, whatever it is. Let's say, any company, they do the same thing.
okay. So you can say me about the salary, enhanced salary?
So, uh, Anand, we are talking about TCS Ninja, right?
Yeah, TCS Ninja.
Yeah, which is 3.5, I guess, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
3.36,
3.5.
I think.
yeah, 3.36. Fine. So in
Mm.
hand salary, you can expect somewhere around 22k per month, and just in case if you are doing it from home, they'll give incentives of 1200 to 1300 rupees for your broadband connection.
So during the month of training, we would get around 22K.
Yeah, for TCS it will be same amount.
Okay, so after
Oh,
training also, I would get 22K only.
That's it. That's it. There will not be any changes. There might be some changes like 2 to 3k, wherein once you get into the project, they'll be asking you to fill out all the PF and PF things and all. UN, and you have to create one account for PF, wherein then you will start paying the professional tax as well, and the professional tax will be will be according to the company payment. I don't know how much they charge for interns, but most probably it will vary somewhere around 5 to 800.
Okay, so
Okay.
okay.
they may provide us laptops, or we should have.
No, for training they might ask you to do it, because and they'll give an option also. Even though if they send you, Anand, I'm sure that won't work. So
Oh,
it's
okay.
better you have a laptop. So once
So
you are
after
done,
training,
after,
hmm.
not after training, once you are in between training, once you complete half of your training, they'll start providing you laptops to your respected cities.
Even I
Or
do have one
Okay.
question. Can I?
yeah, you can.
Yeah, I have one question that what the tentative dates for joining at TCS Digital?
So
Is there any
no, no,
priority
no, no,
given to digital
no. Actually,
over Ninja?
TCS Digital, TCS Ninja will happen at the same time. Okay,
Okay.
and the training they get also is similar.
Okay. No difference among Ninja
No,
and digital candidates for
no.
training as well.
For training as well, they will give the same training, same professor, same thing. Everything will be same. But the thing is, digital people will be into some kind of developer role, wherein TCS Ninja people can't do those. So they have to explore. They have to make some good connections inside the office in order to get to those roles.
Okay.
So
And
yeah,
upliftment or like upgradation of offer for digital candidates, is there any way?
yeah, there will be exam conducted once you complete your training, and if you perform good in that, they'll definitely upgrade you to the digital role, and that digital role will not have the same pay like you get in the um, campus placement. It will be varied.
Okay, so the one who got
Let's say,
digital
let's
role
say
in campus.
on campus they are providing somewhere around 7 lakhs. I'm not wrong, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
it's 7 lakhs only.
yeah, fine. So let's say you're for 3.5 lakhs now, and you got cleared with that exam, and you are moved to digital, TCS digital. So then your salary maybe vary somewhere around 5.5 to 6.
No, no. If I already joined with the role of TCS digital,
Then it will be the same amount.
same amount,
Yeah,
no
7 lakhs, which
changes.
is already fixed by your college or TCS people.
Okay. Any way to go to digital to innovator?
Digital innovator, you have to. I guess this time they are not conducting any. If I'm not wrong, TCS DISQ, right?
What DISQ?
Uh,
It's
digit.
DC.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
digital. Digital,
Digital
not for
Impact Square, right? We are
yeah.
talking about that, right? Yeah. So last time, for Digital Impact Square, last time they used to conduct hackathons in
Okay.
different cities. For now, they are conducting that online. But once you go through that hackathon, you'll have a chance to get into that. But trust me, if you go into this Digital Impact Square, it will be a nice opportunity to you. So you'll start working with all the startups which are there, and TCS Digital Impact Square will not be online. They'll be,
Okay. So
they will call you to a place called Triambakeshwar, which is in Maharashtra.
which is in Maharashtra.
Yes.
Yeah. I know one of the HR who previously she was in Ahmedabad office and she was been placed to Digital Impact Square. So is
Yeah.
that any for us to join Digital Impact Square?
I don't know. I don't know, Rohit, because that is happening when I was in college. It used to happen through off campus. We used to go to. I still remember. I gave this interview. I got selected as well.
Okay. So you are in Digital Impact
No, no,
Square
no,
right
no.
now.
I'm into some. I'm into Vodafone.
Vodafone. You're in Vodafone.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's great.
Yeah.
And like to ask one more question is
Ye-
like while verification or joining verification of documents,
Uh,
so do they check documents thoroughly, word to word, line by line, or is it okay
so
if we don't have a
you're talking about TCS, right?
yeah TCS
So
TCS itself.
see, I'm seriously talking about this. TCS will verify each and every line of your document.
Okay, so document which means
Whatever you submit, let's say you are submitting your 10 certificates, inter certificates and BTech certificates. I guess you won't be faking those. Let's say there are few people who can fake their internship certificates, right?
yeah yeah
Yeah.
yeah.
So you have to make sure that you won't fake the internship certificates, especially TCS
Okay,
people, because they will check line by line.
okay.
And there are some chances wherein they will contact the people who are like, let's say you mentioned some
Who provide? Yeah.
X
I
company,
got to.
and
Yeah.
they'll verify that as well.
Okay, and I have one question.
Yeah.
I wrote I in next step.
uh,
I mentioned my I mentioned totally correct marks, but I made a mistake that
uh,
in total section we
mhm.
have 650 as a total, but I made a mistake.
Rohit, don't worry
Hello?
about that. Once you get the letter of intent, even now your final semester marks are not out, right?
Not hello?
You are into 2021 or
Yeah, you mean
2020?
the final semester marks are not finalized yet, right?
Yes.
No, no, I mean for 12th standard.
Asha,
For
12th
for
standard.
12th.
It's okay,
Yeah.
Rohit. You always have chance to edit those. Let's say once you get
Yeah.
the LOI, they'll be asking you to fill out all the details
We
over
just
there.
lost your voice. It's there's some network issue.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah. Can you hear me now, Rohit?
Yeah, you're
See,
audible.
once you get the LOI, they'll ask you to submit each and every detail again.
Okay.
Okay.
Then it's okay
The
because
the thing which you are
uh,
doing in the next step is for only
yeah.
interview purpose.
Okay, okay.
Okay, next
That's okay
step
because
dot TCS,
that
right?
mistake wasn't done intentional. It was like by mistake. I
It,
wrote
it
600
happens.
instead of 650.
It
So
happens. It
it
happens.
changed my percentage.
It happens. It happens. No worries.
Yeah.
You always have option to edit those once you have LOI in your hand.
And birth certificate is mandatory, or if you
Uh,
don't have birth certificate,
no, 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 no. They won't be asking each and every birth certificate and all. There are few mandatory things like Aadhaar card, PAN card. PAN card is must because they'll be opening the
yeah,
PF accounts for you. So just in
yeah.
case if you don't have any PAN card, this is for all the companies. Even if you don't have any PAN card or any other thing, I request you to apply for PAN card first because
Yeah, I have
as
my PAN card.
yeah, and as soon as you go into that, they'll be asking you the details so that you know you can open the PF account.
So is there two different accounts? One is salary account and another is PF account.
No, no, no. PF is
Provident fund.
government provident fund. So
Yeah.
so that will be
They
opened
cut a
by the
little
company.
amount of salary, I guess, right?
Yeah, yeah. Once you get it's like pension, Rohit.
Yeah, yeah,
You can
Yeah,
pension.
just
Yeah.
Google it. Once you
yeah, I know.
resign, let's say once you retire from your IT career, you can have option to withdraw those. Like
Okay. And
uh,
which NSR package we should select, like 1 year, 10 years, or
no PF,
lifetime?
no PF. Uh,
No, no, NSR.
which NSR you are talking about?
Acha,
NSR
National Skills Registry.
yeah, National Skill Registry.
So
I,
it depends upon you.
it depends on you.
Oh,
Yeah.
which package
You
is
can
good, I think.
It depends on
the
you.
eight the 800 one is good, I guess.
Okay,
It's
801 is good.
yeah, because in 400 you are getting for months, and in 800 you are getting for years, I guess, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, 10 years.
let's not
Sir.
discuss that because that is not relevant to all the students of here. So let's go to some
Yeah.
other questions. Finally, you know, once I'm done with all these questions, I'll get back to you. What are all the things you can submit once you get the LOI? Okay, is that okay, Rohit?
Yeah,
Yeah,
completely sure.
sure, sure. So CPA exam. When will we get the date of SES? SE haven't received any interview days yet. See, Naveen, if you're here, this completely depends on your college people. Okay, you can ask the same information to your college people because previously, when it was offline sessions, they used to conduct interviews according to the areas which you are in. Okay, let's say you are in southern parts of India, they'll conduct interviews which belongs to all like let's say in South India there are 100 colleges, so they'll choose that particular city and they'll conduct the interviews. But for now, you're like in this corona time, what they are doing is your college people or some of colleges will be giving some certain time to interview their students. Okay, and it also depends on your mid exams. If you are into government schools or something, sorry, government colleges, it depends on your mid exams. I guess you'll be having mid exams now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
If
it.
you are
Yeah.
into JNT or somewhere, because I am from Hyderabad, here they have the
Okay.
exam.
Okay.
Fine. And the enhanced salary we would get as a fresher in TCS. I told you, right? 20. You can expect 22. TCS,
Yeah, 22.
CPA stands
And
for assignment.
camera proctored assessment.
Yeah, camera software. It is mainly for incentives.
Yeah, it is mainly for incentives.
Okay. So, what is the joining date of TCS? Yeah, as I told you, you can expect in the month of June.
Yeah.
In
So just after our engineering is over, they are gonna send us, or
yes,
they are gonna take
yes.
some time.
No, they'll send you as soon as you complete your final semester. I mean, taking time in the sense 10 or 20 days, I guess. And they'll be giving some chance wherein, you know, you'll be having your supplementary exams, right? Just in case if you don't clear after your LOI, you can still tell them that I have this particular backlog, and there will be a 4 months or 5 months time wherein you can apply for one supplementary and you can clear that exam.
Okay. So there is no case in no case that TCS means once they have hired people, hired students, hired freshers,
They won't remove
so
you.
they won't remove at any case.
At any case, they won't remove you. Even if you don't have any projects in your hand for 1 year, at least for 1 year, they'll still feed you.
Okay, so the bond is for 1 year or 2 years?
It depends on your college again. For my college, it was for 1 year. For TCS Digital, it was for 2 years.
So okay, so till 1 year they are not going to remove after
No.
1 year?
After 1 year, just in case if your performance is lagging somewhere, they might remove you.
Okay.
Definitely, you won't be sitting idle, right? You will be delivering something
Yeah,
over
yeah,
there,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Until unless you make some mistakes, they won't remove you. But yeah, but being in TCS, you can't expect more hike in your salary as well.
Yeah. I've listened this thing.
Yeah. So off-campus drive for 2020 by Infosys equal to no. So hack. It's completely different. You are talking in terms of if you are talking in terms of uh, exam complexity, it is completely different. So, Mohan sir, please tell about software. Mohan, if you are here, yeah. So it's normal role, until unless you get into some project, they'll give you some trainings for four months, and after 4 months, they'll be taking you to some role. So for one whole year, you will be under uh, software engineer trainee role. Which is better to join as a fresher, TCS or Infosys? Ha. Fine, Kolla. Fine. If you have two options in your hand, let's say you have TCS and Infosys, and let's say you have Capgemini as well. Okay. So I'd suggest you to go to Infosys because Infosys will always provide you good training. So for 4 months, you'll be getting training, and that training you will not get anywhere. So even if you are zero in your coding or zero in technical, I'm sure that you'll reach intermediate level if you take trainings from Infosys. Okay. But
Uh,
if you have any options like TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, and CTS, which is Cognizant, I always suggest you to go to Cognizant because they pay you good and they don't deduct for unknown reasons, and your project will be your projects will be very good. So you will be as a fresher, you have to take good projects because with that project you will choose some other projects, so which you can't choose in TCS, but in Cognizant you can always choose your projects. You can always attend multiple interviews after your training. DOJ is
okay, so
yeah.
as you said, Infosys training and Cognizant training is way better. So
Infosys training
is
is better than anything. Whatever the company you take, even if you take Deloitte, yeah, Infosys
Hmm.
training is better than Deloitte. So most
So
people
TCS training is also good, right?
teachers training,
Or
I
it's
don't say it
just
is bad, but comparatively with Infosys, it is good. And if you go, when you have only two options, let's say TCS and Infosys, I suggest you to go to Infosys
yeah.
because you get a good training over there.
Sir, I
And
am from non-CS branch, sir. I am from mechanical branch.
that's what Mohan said. If you have any other options like Infosys, Mohan, if I'm not wrong, you are into
Yes, sir.
Infosys, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Correct.
So for if you are into mechanical background, I'm sure you'll be getting good training.
Okay.
Yeah. So even if you are zero at your technical skills, I'm sure that you will reach at least intermediate level once you complete the Infosys training. Only if you attend
Sir,
interview
actually, that's my
sincerely.
second doubt.
Okay. So what
Okay.
is your first door then?
That's one, sir.
Yeah. Is
That means, see,
Nagaraj.
as I am from non-CS, is it suitable to join in position? That's my first doubt.
No,
You clarify.
it is it is always your choice. If you want to go into some mechanical background, uh, you if you have any other options, you can go. But I don't know. I can't give you your your decision, right? I can't decide what you want to choose, right?
Yes, sir.
So you always an option. You always have an option, just in case if you want to get into CS background. Let's say you are coming into IT side. Infosys is a very good option to start with.
Thank you, sir.
Is Nagarao a good company? I don't know about this Nagarao. It is multinational or multi-Mars company, I guess. It is in Mars, I guess. Enhanced salary for SEs. It depends again. 21, I guess. I guess you will be getting 1,000 here and there. So mostly it will be somewhere around 21 to 22. During the training period, they'll be giving 9,000 in hand. If you are uh, if you are taking it for from work from home. Once you get into that, it will be 22. Naveen, uh, aptitude and English. That's what I can suggest you. Aptitude and English. Be perfect with aptitude. Be perfect with English. Even if you have 50% knowledge of info and aptitude, you can still crack it. Let's say you have 10 topics and you are good with 5 topics, you can still crack it. So, fine. End of the doubts, I guess, right? Fine. Well, let me do one thing. Um, Let me tell you what can you do once you get into once they are asking you to fill out the details, like fill out it. So every company like Infosys, Capgemini, or any other Vodafone or something, what they'll ask you to do is 5 lakh. Yeah, for 5 lakh package you will get at least 32 32 somewhere. If you divide it with the IT slab, it will be around 32. So yeah, so they'll be asking you to fill out some documentation, like the internships you did, or else the skills you have, the certificates you own from any other companies. So uh, for it is similar with all the companies. The thing is, I can suggest you to provide good certificates. Let's say you are doing some C language course and you got certificate. I suggest you to put it over there, whatever it is, Python, Java, whatever it is, whatever the certifications you did, you just post it there once they ask you to post. Okay, because it always helps you. And your role, once you are done with your training, your role will be based on the certificates you submit, whatever it is. They'll ask you about the internship, they'll ask you about the certificates, they ask you about the all the skills and skill sets you have. Okay, so uh, you better do some certification, whatever it is, LinkedIn or any other thing. You better do it and just put it in that. Okay, and while submitting any other documents regarding internship or regarding any certification, please don't fake it. If once you fake it, they'll definitely get you and they'll put you under some testing, manual testing, wherein you can't get any growth in that field. So I always suggest you to put some good what's it good certifications. Let's say whatever it is. If you want to go into some developer kind of roles, I always suggest you to go into some go get some certifications in the Python, Java, which are most happening in TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, and other companies as well. Okay. Any other doubts? what freshers kit we get in TCS Digital? TCS Digital will give you a pen. TCS Digital will give you a mug. TCS Digital will give you a laptop. So actually, there's a YouTube channel wherein if you can follow some, they'll give you they'll provide all the kits which are given by different companies. So I pasted that in the chat window. In fact, you can check out by writing graduate to corporate. Any other doubts?
Yeah, can you say me how is the work atmosphere in TCS?
Work atmosphere in TCS. I mean, you are talking about the fresher, or you are talking about someone who is already.
No, for us, for the freshers.
For fresher, it is always good because you won't be getting that much of work in TCS and Infosys especially. After you complete your training, uh,
Yeah.
you will be having hectic amount of time wherein you can't decide what to do in that time. So you will be sitting nicely and you will be getting the salary for at least 2 to 3 months because none of them will assign you work and you will be still on your KTs. KTs will be provided 1 or 2 hours a day and rest of the day you will be left freely. At that time, they suggest you to take some trainings wherein you can post that and you can switch your roles just in case if there are any developer roles. And there are some chances over there you can directly change your band as well once you do the good trainings.
Okay.
Okay.
One of my friends said that after training, uh, they may change the shift week to week. There may be different shifts.
That depends on your project as well.
Like one.
So let's
Okay.
say
Okay.
you're working for some other company, like some other client. So you're working for UK or Germany or someone. So it depends on the shift roles which they choose. Okay, probably your friend is dealing with some other country. That's the reason why
Okay.
his shifts are changing every week. If you are working with Indian clients, they won't ask you to change the shift. But once you change the shift, let's say if you are working for some night time, some odd hours, they'll be giving good amount of money for that also. So you won't be having that work, but you'll be just supporting them. You'll be getting incentives for that. You can expect half of the, let's say, everyday payment is 1,000 rupees for you. If you are doing it in the night shift, you can expect somewhere around 15 to 1600 a day. It is half more than that.
Okay.
Okay. If you get those kind of options, you better grab it. Don't say that I don't want to work. And you may feel that no one will be there at that
Yeah.
time to
Yeah.
help me, but you can always do that because you don't have that much of work over there as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tips to be upgraded to SES. uh, in Infosys, Mohan Sai, you do the training. Once you complete your training, Mohan, there'll be
Sir,
you'll be asked to give an exam over there. Okay, so
for
once,
SCS role, sir?
yeah,
For
so
SCS upgradation.
yes, so they'll be asking you to give an exam. Fine. So once you do well with that exam, they'll upgrade your band
Okay. That exam will be during the training only, sir?
after you complete the training. Mohan.
Okay. Okay.
Let's say you are completing one, they'll be dividing into modules, and they'll conduct exams according to those modules.
Okay. Any tips, sir,
Attend the
how to prepare
program.
for SCS?
Attend the program, Mohan, because this modules which we are talking about will be completely uh, decided by the company. Okay, so whatever they give, you better attend
Okay.
sincerely and crack the exam. So that exam will be completely pure coding. It will not be some MCQs kind of questions. It will be pure coding. Once you attend the exam correctly, they'll upgrade your band.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other doubts?
Yeah, in TCS, will they keep exams regularly?
Again, actually, what they do is TCS or any other companies, they'll hire uh, a third party trainer. Okay, let's say you're working for TCS,
Okay.
and the training will be given by some training company, that is X company. Sometimes it may be TCS also,
Okay.
and just in case for 2021, it is given by Y company. Your exams will
Okay.
be conducted according to that Y company. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
so most of the times your trainings will be handled by some other companies only, training companies like training
Okay.
institutes.
Mm.
So and they'll start from the beginning, right from the first year of BTech, what you'll learn, like what is variable kind of thing. They'll start from that place and they'll go.
Okay. So,
Okay,
for example, if we are from like I am from EC, so what they are gonna ask?
the training will be similar to everyone, man. Even if you are
Okay.
mechanical,
So,
even if you are chemical, even if you are nanotechnology, so who are under
mm,
intern or else uh, a graduate training position, your
okay.
exams will be similar to everyone.
Okay.
Okay, right from whatever the language they choose, they start from the scratch. Got it?
Okay. Mhm.
So I guess we are good with these things. And I have your if I have your names in my Telegram, just in case if we are conducting any other sessions, I'll definitely do it. After this, I'll be sending a link, Instagram link and YouTube link. Please subscribe and please follow that. Okay?
Yeah. Okay. Sure.
Yeah. Sure. Bye. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.